on the toilet, the Vita stuff. Prefer if you were inside, so she doesn't get distracted by the one outside. You're doing so good, babe. Good girl. Good girl. Making you clean.
She's so sleepy now.
See? Also too, that's why I put her in the crate, because I wanted her to take a second just to relax. And now she's like not even gonna fight me about this. You see? She's like falling asleep, isn't she?
She almost fell asleep now.
We got the nice music on. I'm gonna sit down, I don't care. Good girl.
Are we using that?
I think it's better actually, because it's finer. She likes it too. This one's kind of, I feel like it's like for a big, yeah, I feel like it's like for a bigger dog. This one I just feel more like I'm getting, like cleaning her better with it. It's finer. You're all nice and clean already. Did you not smell it?